Hey Zach, how are you?
I'm okay, I think. I am just ready to go home. Friday. It is finally Friday.
Yes. That's right. It is Friday. I totally forgot. There is a costume party tonight at Jane's house.
Are you going? I want to go so bad.
Yes, I will go. Jane is a good friend of mine. You guys can come with me if you would like.
Yes, please. I really want to go.
Okay. Tonight at 8. Do not be late and wear a costume.
Yes! Thanks, Zara. I will ask Stella if she will go with me. I will catch up with you guys later. I am so happy. Stella said yes and she will come with me to the party. I do not know what to wear though. Why do you care? You want to impress the girlfriend? Oh boy. Zach, one of these days you will fall hard for a girl too. And I will be the one laughing. No way. I could never feel like that. That's gross. Okay. Can you leave now? I will need to get ready. That's fine. I will just ask Mother for a ride to the party. We did not tell her yet. I hope she will say it will be fine. I hope so. I totally forgot to ask Mother about it. You go. I will get dressed. Hello, Mother. How are you?
I am fine, Peter. How are you? How is school?
It was okay. Zach and I were invited to a party. Can we please go? I already asked Stella to come. Zara will be there also. Please, can we go?
It should be fine. I will drive you there, okay?
Yes. Thank you so much, Mother. I will go get ready now.
Hey honey. Wow. You look amazing. What's the occasion?
Hey babe. Nothing really. I will take the boys to a party and I felt like sprucing up.
Well, you look great. I hope the boys have fun. Okay, I need to finish up some work in the office. I will see you later.
Sure. I am just waiting for the boys. After I drop them off, we will hang out.
So, how do I look?
You look fine, I guess. You are supposed to be a king, right?
Yes. And Stella will be my queen. What are you supposed to be?
Obviously, I am a warrior elf.
Good job. It was so clear.
All right. Let us get going now. We should not keep your girlfriend waiting.
You guys look great. I love the costumes.
You know what would be great? If Zach can stop being in the trunk of the car. That would be fantastic.
Well, you know your brother. He can be very different.
That is an understatement.
Here we are. Go ahead and have fun. But take good care of your brother.
Yes, Mother. We will see you later.